So exactly 4 hours in to our office roofing project in Dublin, Georgia. This is where we are. The ladies are getting stuff into the dumpsters. The guys are working on the prep. Another good example of a professional roof system that's going to last. Got the CertainTeed Roof Runner Synthetic. Got all the ridge lines opened up. Got rid of the old power ventilators. CertainTeed ply-based self-adherent base sheet. It's what we use in valleys. We don't use the paper-faced competing products. Nice double lap at the top where the ridge intersects. Guys are getting the last little bit covered up. Pipes, roof accessories painted. Ply-based leak barrier at all our penetrations. It's an important step. Doesn't take too much time. Gives you a lot more security on the roof. Corey is bringing up another roll of cap sheet for the little flat area. And Pato been making good progress on that. CertainTeed Flint Lastic cap sheet. The weather's pretty nice. It's windy. It's probably going to get a good warm this afternoon, but so far it's been really pleasant. The ladies are filling the can up. Everybody's working together. Take lunch here in an hour or so. Get the roof loaded up. And on to shingles. So if you're an office manager, you know, medical buildings, office parks, anything where you have time-sensitive, client-sensitive jobs, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. We can give you scheduled completion dates on weekends and make it easy for you. Thank you for watching.